Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming requirements. Check iOS version and available storage so updates install cleanly. Once done, gather your VPN account details, server address, username, password, and any certificate or OTP info, because you'll need them immediately. Now open Settings and navigate to General then VPN, or just Settings VPN on newer iOS versions. This gets you to the VPN configuration area. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active, so the device can validate credentials and download profiles if required. You'll either tap Add VPN configuration to create a new profile or select the existing one to update the server and credentials. When prompted, choose the correct protocol, ICAV2, IPsec, or L2TP, because protocol determines encryption and compatibility. Then enter the server, remote ID, and account name. If your provider uses a certificate, import it now through files or mail so authentication succeeds. Finally, configure options like Connect on Demand and Save. These settings control when the VPN activates. You'll finish by toggling the VPN switch to connect and watching the status indicator. A successful connection confirms the update. If it fails, first recheck server address, username, password, and that you chose the correct protocol. Many failures are simple typos or wrong protocol selection. Make sure certificates aren't expired. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and then reinstall the profile. If that still fails, contact your VPN provider with logs and exact error messages for deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.